It's the last weekend of duck season, and I've got a full crew with me, and we brought the kids. 2 of them have never experienced duck hunting before. All of them are fired up to be together and for the adventure ahead. These boys are about to get the full January duck hunting experience. Ice-cold temperatures, frigid water, ripping tides, pushing the boat through the mud, a grip of ducks, duck blind snacks, and some of the best memories you could ever ask for.
Hang on.
Oh, right over our heads! Oh, this water's cold all of a sudden.
Is it mine? It doesn't.
I mean, that's pretty impressive. I mean,
I'll let you shoot mine.
10 years old? Your dad shot a 20 gauge at 10, then he ran back to the truck.
I did.
Are you shooting 3.5-inch shells?
Yeah.
All right, we got to pick up decoys with the boat, because...
Can I?
Yeah, is there room up there for you guys to lean over and grab them? So the decoys will go in these little slots, okay? Trask, can you pull that anchor? It's like 30 pounds.
Is this where the end of the boat is or something? I don't know where my map.
Oh my gosh, dude! All of you come here and stand and build a wall for me. 740, we've got 3 birds already. 1 drake pintail and 2 mallards. Got the whole crew in the boat today, and we just had divers fly through the decoys. It's the cousins' last weekend of the season hunting trip. Cousins, brothers, and uncles. We've got
Those are geese.
3 hunters and all the boys, so should be a good time regardless of what happens.
On the right, kind of out front.
Yep.
Now.
Oh, you should have took those, Jake.
You think so?
I think those are mergansers.
You should have took those.
Got a lar bar for me?
What?
Lar bar for me?
Yeah.
When you get a chance, no rush.
On the left, kind of high.
Oh yeah. It's the pintail, not a penny. I can't do it. I flying along the river. Oh, they're dropped. Oh, my stringer busted. Dang it.
Again?
Yep. Where'd those birds go?
Well, here goes
On
4
the
more.
right.
4 more. Well, those 3 landed. We got those 4 there. Flying over the trees.
Dad,
Yeah.
you have any tow holders?
What?
Do you have any tow holders?
I'll look.
That's the thing.
Oh, on the right. What? Out front.
It keeps you warm, dude. It's up to you. It keeps you warm. Hang on.
Coming in, guys. Nope.
You didn't see it.
Yeah. I know right where he's going. It's where all the birds go. And there's a tree well in there. I've been over there. And they get up in there. I'm gonna go over there though in a minute. There's another one cupped up on top of us.
Oh shit, he's dropping.
Oh gosh, look at that. All right, tide's going out. We're taking a little break right now, getting some pictures with the ducks that we got so far.
Oh, what the?
We got
Oh, that feels weird.
image pintail.
Nice.
Oh, he nailed it.
Guys, wait, go down there, go down there. Yeah. Nice one, that thing was close to hitting me. Shoot it.
Well, that was a wild sequence, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We got 2 birds right out of there.
Little bufflehead. You guys want to see the cutest bird in the world?
Yeah.
The cutest bird in the world.
Is that literally a...
It's called the bufflehead.
Oh my gosh. That is so cute.
That's a big bird.
You leaving? You good?
They got him.
He went over the trees. Get it somewhere in the thing. It's a little shit bird. Oh, yeah. Get him, take it on, take it on.
Dude, our pattern enveloped him. He dove. There he is. Get him.
There you go, Jake.
No, he's alive.
No.
Again. He's alive.
I got him. Dude.
Still alive.
No, he's trying to, it's magical water. He's drinking it to survive. That thing was just encased.
Dude, my first shot was like all around it. Get in the very back. There you go. It's slippery, so there you go.
How much backflips we could do?
Ready?
Yep.
Can you turn around or are you good? You sure? Okay. It's not, you're kind of, when you get in the first time, it's kind of wobbly, but it's a pretty stable kayak. But yeah, you want to be careful leaning over to grab the bird. That's another bufflehead. This was a bionic bufflehead. We hammered this thing and he didn't want to die. You want to grab it, Trask, or do you want me to?
I can.
Okay, I'm coming up right now, almost like a crab pot, okay? Oh, I ran over him. He's gonna be on the side. See him? Sweet. Same kind? Same kind as the other one we got? Nice. There you go, Trask. Where'd she go? She dove. She's gonna come up. She's gonna come up.
Yeah.
Is the gadwall and a mallard? Or are they both mallards?
I thought they were both mallards.
Yeah, they might be. Yeah, you're right.
Sorry, those are big birds.
Oh, those came in beautiful. 2 mallards. We were all just chit-chatting in the blind, and we look up, and 2 mallards are cupped up, coming in. Before we could even get our guns up, they're landing. So I think we slooshed one of them, and then I don't know if we caught it on camera though, but doesn't matter. We got 2 more mallards, a hen and a drake. That is great times. I believe that is 8 birds. So far, great day. And to see those mallards coming in too is really good. Here's the crew. You guys turn around and say hi.
Hey, what's up?
Hi. Right there.
Comes right at us.
Perfect right there too.
I know.
Grab the bullets just over there.
What?
My gun.
Oh, I wouldn't worry about it. You're shooting this fine, so if we got something, well, you shoot this. Tucker's gonna try and shoot the next black diver bird that lands in.
Oh yeah.
Well, now you're closer to me.
Don't move, don't move. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Put your face up there. Oh, right on.
Where did he go?
He's behind. He's circling behind us.
Oh, he's high. He's really high.
Shoot it.
What?
Saw that?
What just happened?
What the?
I'm gonna flip it up there.
Nailed it. Can't do it, Todd?
What's that?
Can't do it?
No, it wasn't moving. Oh, here's why we weren't going anywhere. God, what a knucklehead.
Anchor out?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's really shallow. We got a lot shallower. Jet. Maybe a jet would help. I don't know. Afternoon hunt again, last weekend of the season, and trying a new spot right now on the river, and we're tucking the boat back behind in a little canal. I don't know if we can get it back here successfully. We've got some big logs back here, but we might be able to sneak it by here. We'll see, and I think we can do it. It gets really deep though. Oh, sweet. I'm thinking if the tide comes up, I could probably come and bring it over this berm. Oh, there's 2 mallards right there, guys. They're just sitting back there. Didn't you walk back there already?
Yeah. Coming to land then?
I don't know. What are you guys doing? Wind whackers. Okay, good. This will attract the birds. It looks like birds landing, and so they get sucked in. Oh God, guys, 3 mallards just got up out of here. Yeah. Oh.
Nice.
I missed the hen though. I got the green head.
I saw it, though. That was sick.
Yeah. Hey, take that stuff out of there. Let's go get that mallard. Huh? I can't believe the mallard's in this canal. Oh. Ah.
Oh, come on, Todd.
Hey, right here looks like a good spot.
Okay, Trask. Hey, guys.
Trask, you're the heaviest. Get in the back. All right, I think I see it.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Beautiful one, dude. Yeah, baby. Nice green head. Ooh, I hammered that thing.
It just twitched.
Did it?
Yeah.
There we go. Nice job, boys.
I've never grabbed a duck out of the water like that.
First timer. First timer. All right, boys. Good job. Yeehaw! Woo! Woo!
Yo.
If you guys are ever hunting, you always want to be careful. Take nice, easy steps. Know the ground. If it's too muddy, don't go
I
in.
can get on. I can go.
That's all you, Jake.
They gotta turn.
That's you, Jake. Right on the edge of the decoys. That was
30 yards off the decoys.
I saw him out there, then I lost him in the sun.
30 yards is a dead bird.
Look at that, you guys. That is a beautiful drake. Bufflehead. There's a bufflehead coming in from the left.
Oh, there you go, Todd.
Can't see it. It's you, Travis. Apparently we need him to land. But yeah, shooting right into that sun, man. Those are all mallards too.
The diamond on the boat, maybe?
You guys stay here.
What? What
I'm
are you
gonna,
doing?
I'm gonna pull the boat right here.
If they fly,
I put my gun away. That means the ducks are going to fly. We're out today for the final extravaganza. It is the last day of duck season. We've already got one drake green-winged teal on the stringer. And we got the whole crew out again, the cousin crew. There's 6 of us in the boat. It is loaded. We're having a good time. We got tons of snacks, hot cocoa. Maybe, we might not have hot cocoa.
We do.
We do, sweet. Where'd they go?
they're flying out towards Oregon.
Oh, I thought they were coming this way.
Oh, no, they turned. They're coming. Hey, they just landed.
Where are the birds? Where are the birds?
Todd starts singing, that's problems.
Don't just point at me, we gotta get down. Oh, they're cupped up. Gosh, they went down and they dumped that direction. So I came back here to jump shoot, and the guys dumped a mallard, I think a greenhead, and we've got 2 bald eagles chasing that greenhead right now. I think they're fighting with a hawk over it, and the guys don't have any access to go get that bird, so I'm running over there to go get it with the kayak. What is happening? What did I miss? How far out is it?
About 10 yards past the decoys.
Oh, and are those bald eagles after it?
Yeah.
Nice hen mallard. That's 2 on the stringer. Did that bird come right in? That's cool. They were all over it, weren't they?
Yeah. I would dove down a few times to get it and dive under the water.
You want some of this brown sugar oatmeal?
No.
It's really good.
9 o'clock mallards. Gotta wait for those 9 o'clock mallards, man.
I don't know, but I thought with this wind and us being protected here, the birds would want like right where the decoys are, or back in here maybe.
Yeah.
It's a great spot. I let it so far and I was still behind it. I'd give you $50 if you dumped that bird out there.
We all do.
They're coming, they're
Oh,
coming.
I
guys.
see them.
I don't-
See them.
Oh yeah.
On the left side. No, they're not coming. Take them, Jake. $50.
Signing off, that's it. We had a great trip. Everybody say
Bye, losers.
Oh, ouch.
oh! Oh, look at that! Are you kidding? That's all she wrote. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next
Jesus.
video.